Do you want to do $19, $29, $10 oil changes and bring worn out junk into your shop? That's going to take you more time. It's going to create low productivity. It's going to create high frustration, lots of rust, etc. And you want to bring bottom feeders customers in that are going to make you crazy? Or do you want to bring in customers that want great service and a really good product, which are better clients that will spend more money? Which one do you want? Do you want the kiss a lot of frogs model, where I'm going to kiss a lot of frogs, but there's only going to be a few princes or princesses? Or do you want the better client model? And pricing helps define your clients. You want to build your price up to where the bottom feeder customer literally does not call you, because you can't make money on them. You don't want to spend your time with them. If we put our energy on the 80% of the population that fits the model we want and built our marketing around that, and we brought a better customer in, we would have a better business.